Welcome to DHWS Test Channel. This is DHWS Test Channel. Today Honor V20 unboxing box looking okay. Let's watch now. Okay. Honor V20 will have a punch hole display with a cutout on the top left of the screen for the 25MP front camera. The hole is 4.5 mm in diameter and allows Honor to get rid of the notch on the front, and instead offer a clean, nearly edge-to-edge display. Samsung Galaxy A8s also offers something similar. It will be powered by Huawei's flagship Kirin 980 processor, which is also powering the Mate 20 Pro device. The rear camera will be 48MP and the phone will also come with a 4000 mAh battery. A new teaser has indicated that the camera will have a time of flight (DOF) sensor as well, which could be the third camera at the back. Honor also confirmed that the phone will come with a new feature called Link Turbo, which will allow users to rely on 4G networks and Wi-Fi connections simultaneously for surfing the web. The phone will also come with the GPU Turbo technology for gaming, which we saw on the Honor Play. Earlier, a Maserati edition of the Honor V20 was also leaked ahead of the launch. Not much is known about the limited edition model at the moment, but it will come with branding from Maserati.